Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. You can see here guys what we have discussed previous week is that in crude oil, if it will take support somewhere here, then you can expect the upside momentum. What happened? It taken a support. Okay guys, somewhere your one SL will be hit. I know that, so sorry about it. But you can see that what happened, it is a fake breakout happened. After that you can see that it came once again upside momentum. You have to switch it in a 5 minutes time frame. Why? Because of this is the main point guys. Every time you have to see is that this is the pole. Okay guys, after that here sometimes it consolidate. Okay guys, this is the green candle what I am telling. Okay guys, after that the candle will behave like this. Okay guys, like this. Okay, after that what breakout will happen? Okay guys, this is the breakout happen. It gives us very big momentum. Okay guys, somewhere here only you have to buy guys. I will just remove it. Somewhere here only at this green candle, 5 minutes, in 5 minutes this green candle only I have somewhere buy, and my SL will be the this is my SL 105.67, because this is the supporting zone area. So that's why you can see that how nicely it reaches up till here. I have booked my full profit. I'm telling you, not anything, because I know that here somewhere it may be reversible, so I have booked my whole profit. After that the somewhere here it goes upside momentum. After that it once again came this at this supporting line. I have buyed here, somewhere here only I have buyed, and my SL will be the this red candle. You can see that one-sided momentum. I have booked my whole profit somewhere here only, because here are seller are so much dominated. I have booked my profit. Okay guys, you can see that our analysis is how much accurate. Okay guys, here also I am tell you one thing. If you haven't seen my analysis, go and check out. Somewhere here only it is continuously taking like a supporting. Okay guys, at this second candle only I have buyed. Okay guys, my SL will be the somewhere here only, so small. Okay guys, after that consolidation happened, so I am pretty much sure that it came downtrend once again. Because of this is if it has to make a big momentum, then it has to break out. But what happened, it is continuously here only taking a supporting area, so it broken. After that exactly here only it taken support. You can see that exactly taken support. If you have not taken here also, no worries about it. Here it is has taken this support. You can see that this green candle only. Okay guys, if you have bought this green candle also, that is enough. Your SL will be the this red candle. Okay guys, you can see that one-sided momentum. Our all target has been achieved. Our first target achieved, second target only you have to book, but this is the green candle is coming, so you have booked at third target also. You have got very big targets. Okay guys, after that it came once again downside. You can, I have told you right now only, pole and flag at the 5 minutes time frame. Breakout, I have bought somewhere here only. My SL is very small. I am telling you, I have gained 1:6 reward ratio within the two candles. Okay guys, within 3 hours at least, because of somewhere here only I have buy. So 3 at third hour only, this is the making the small here red candle. So I am exited at this here only somewhere. I have got very nice trade guys. Hope you have also taken a trade. After that it came once again upside momentum. It came downside somewhere here only. The seller are so much dominated, so I'm kept my stop limit order. So I have somewhere here only it once again came, so I am definitely know that it gonna upside momentum. So I have bought somewhere here only, and my SL will be the somewhere this red candle here somewhere. Okay guys, because of this is the doji type, or this is the wicks you never want to keep, because this is the upside momentum. Okay guys, so that's why I am kept very small stop loss, because I know that if it will work, so gives us very big momentum. Otherwise a small stop loss will I will take. So I have taken that trade also. I am after that 4 to 5 hours after that I am seeing very big momentum has been done. So after somewhere here at this green candle only it came downside, so I think I am done, because of I have taken a so much nice profit. Somewhere here is 1:9 somewhere I am taken my profit, so I have done. So I have taken my trade off. After that it continuously consolidate, goes upside momentum. After that somewhere here only, guys, this is the bulls area. After that this is crossing. I have taken my position somewhere here. My SL will be the this green candle, because I don't have conviction that it goes upside or downside or it becomes sideways. So I am taken a small stop loss, and this is the very momentum has been done somewhere here only at this green candle, red candle. I have book my whole profit, guys. You can see that how nicely we have taken 3 trades in natural gas. Okay, guys, in XAU also I have told you exactly what happened. I have told you that it taken a resistance somewhere here. This has to break. After this break, what I have done is that at this right candle only somewhere here I have buyed. Okay, guys, shorted. And I will tell you buy it because of I always do buying only. So somewhere only the it came downside momentum. So you can see here, guys. What happened is that I have bought somewhere here only, shorted. Okay, guys, somewhere SL will be here. You can see that our first target reached, second, third, fourth, all target slightly only has been reached and reversible. After that it is consolidating. Okay, guys, somewhere here only you can see here. I have not drawn here because I have drawn, but I have erased somewhere here. You can see that this is the trend line. It is continuously taking resistance. After it, this is the breakout. Somewhere here only I have bought, and I've kept it my SL somewhere these 3 candle, because these 3 candle is so much dominating right now. So somewhere here only I have kept. If SL will be hit, then no worry about it, because this is the part of the trading. So you can see that exactly here only reversible. After this breakout I have taken my up till here only, because I traded for somewhere here only. But what happened is that I have not seen that, because I am somewhere else doing something. So somewhere here only I have seen that it is gives us very nice target. So somewhere here at this right candle only I am exited. I am not tell you any lie. So somewhere here only I am exited. After that it taken once again support and gives us our third target also achieved. But I am very much satisfied, because it works that only very good work has been happened. After somewhere here I am taken my SL and removed the. So we have got very nice trade. You can see here also in uh, coffee. In coffee also you can see that exactly taken support. You can see here exactly taken support. Our first target reach, second target reach, second target reach. It means we have to exit somewhere here only. Okay, guys, after that third target also slightly is in it came downside. After that only here M pattern has been made. You have to take a 5-minute chart. After that this is the breakdown happened. I have taken someone, my SL will be somewhere here. I have taken this. My risk reward is up till here only, and this right candle only it came up till here. So I am exited somewhere here only. I am not traded up till here. So I have got 1:3. You can see that all our analysis has been worked very nice, and also in analysis I have told you so much knowledgeable things also. Okay, guys, please, if you like this video, please share with your friends and families, guys. Thank you, guys.